Trying it for no cool. Notice it's frozen. So, came around the back. Once around the back, we took the humidifier off. Notice the giant frozen coil. Can make snow out of this. But one of the first things that we check is airflow. And this is looking pretty dirty. I don't think we were getting much airflow through that filter there, so that's probably not helping our case. Alright, now that our ice is melted from the unit, no more ice here, melted the coil. We're still running below freezing. Our superheat is pretty high. So Sold R22 is finally taking its last summer. The 2003. So I think she lived a pretty good life.